Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I received a parcel which my parents sent me from Odisha and which in the last video also I was talking about, which is my Odissi ornament. It is my first ornament set which I'm buying for my Odissi performance. Unique design. They searched a lot of shops in Odisha and finally I'm having my most beautiful set which I can't wait to share with you. So let's unbox it. This is the box which I got. In this whole set is there of Odyssey ornaments. So yeah, let's come and unbox with me. Yay! Almost it took 5 days to come from Odisha, and I was like every day waiting, checking, like when it will be coming. That tracking number will be checking from the DTC link, right? So I'll be checking every day that when it will be coming, when it will be coming. So yeah, today only it came. My parents showed me in video call and picture that with the design they have wide and all, but when you see in front of you, so it will be different feeling. I'm so much excited to open. Yay. Let's open the first box. I guess it will be having all the like necklace and earrings, monkey kind of. So I'll show you what we will be wearing in Odyssey, like each and every jewelry. I'll show you how it will look on me. Let's see. I'm not sure it will look nice on me or not. Double packet. Oh, I'm tired, guys. Yes. Ta-da! Oh my god. Okay, again, get some more seed. Let's open this one as well. You're able to see, guys. Let's open each and everything and let's see what we have received. Okay, so this is the Mantika. In Odia also we say Mantika only. So this will be going like this. Okay, before showing all these things, I want to guys know this, like all my ornaments are white silver only. They are white metal. They're not fully silver. It's like a coating of silver will be there. Now I'm not having that much money to buy all the silver ornaments, but yeah, this much I'm having. I can invest it at least on me. So this is the Mantika. Let's keep it safely. And maintaining this white metal silver is also somewhat different once the performance is completed. So you can't put directly inside the wrappers or boxes. It will happen blackish. So you have to dry it. You came from the performance, keep it under the fan, let it dry fully. Then next morning you can keep it inside your boxes or wrappers, whatever you want, how to you want to maintain it. So guys, this is the choker. Wow, so beautiful. This is the choker. Wow, I was not expecting this design will be this much beautiful. In picture, it was looking nice only, but in real, it is looking so much beautiful. So much like I can't make you understand, guys. Next is our earrings. Wow, we say kanafula. We say this one. No, it's we say kanafula plus we say chinka. This one will be like this. It will be coming like we have to put that button backside. Wow, it's so much beautiful. Next is this is the hair clip. Actually, we will be keeping when we'll be doing the juda and we'll be putting the taya in the middle of the juda. We will be keeping this hair clip. See, guys, see that much beautiful it is looking. So much beautiful. Actually, all this ornaments design is like somewhat flowers and petals. So like they're matching with each and every, like they're matching with each other. They're complementing with each other, not matching, complementing with each other. So it's very beautiful. Oh, this is next is rings. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'll wear and show you guys. Like in each hand, in the middle finger, we will be wearing. So in middle finger, we will be wearing. Wow, so much beautiful. I really want to thank to my parents. They have searched each and every piece. Ah, and guys, I want to say you, this whole set won't be coming together. Like you have to, like you can get set also, but I wanted to have something unique than other people and somewhat which will be looking nice on me, complimenting me. Next is my bangles. So in Odyssey, we will be wearing only one bangle at, like in each hand we will be wearing each bangle. So this bangle will be like screw will be there. To wear it, you have to remove the screw, and like you don't have to remove completely, just half of the way you have to remove it. Then you can wear it. Then again you can just close it. The small box, I know what it is having because this is the only thing which my father bought, the silver one, as it was not they were not able to find any of the white metal, so they said that okay, let's take the silver one only. So this is my nose pin, and it's pure silver. Wow. I guess I won't be able to show you, like I'm not sure in video it will be visible or not. Like circles are there in which stones are there. So like stones you will be seeing, it will be looking somewhat shiny. So this is my nose ring. Like we'll be putting like this, like fully. I'm not having any hole, but it's like you have to like push it upwards, so it will be sticking. Next is the long necklace. This is haro. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It was beautiful. I know it will be looking awesome on me. Wow. Okay. This is the most beautiful and most favorite ornament of mine. In Odia, in Odissi dance, we say as Bengo Patya. Like we will be wearing around the west. Oh my god. By listening to sound only, I am like, wow. Wow, that much beautiful it is. Like this one, we will be wearing around the waist, like after you wear the costume. Oh my god, it is really beautiful. And these are the baju band. We will be having, like we will be wearing here, like this somewhat. Next, we will be opening this one. In this, actually, we will be having talia. This is the most delicate thing in total costume because this is fully made up of solo. So let's open. Oh, I'm praying that it should be nice only because it's somewhat like it has bended from sides. I'm not sure. Let's see. Wow, it's very nice. Yeah, the smell is awesome. Okay. Um, so it will be having three pieces actually. I thought it is very. Wow, see guys, this is the front one. It is. It is having three pieces. This first one, like the bigger one, and the medium one, and the small one. So I'll be saying you, like, once the jura is done, first we have to wear this one. It will be going like this somewhat. Then from down, after keeping this one, from down we'll be keeping like this, and two things are set, we'll be keeping here, the center and the top of the jura, like somewhat like this. So it will be like this visible. So this was my whole ornament set for Odissi performance. So see you guys in next video. Bye.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same pop.